Hey guys, back again. There's Tristan caught a flagtail. Oh, he just dropped it again. But he's caught 2 pamphlets already and we released them. Sorry guys, we can't get you better footage. But the wind has picked up to a northeast. The tide is coming in, but it's going to a high tide. So I'm just going to give you some footage of some guys, of the children. And on Friday if he catches a fish. So just something, just so you keep you guys entertained a little bit. Let's try and see what we can get. Let's actually try and see if they can catch fish. Ah, there you are, on camera. There's Tristan caught on camera. Hey, Jaden too, double up. Let's see the double up. Come guys, double up. Come together. There's the 2 brothers, double up flagtails. Awesome. Let's go for release. Okay guys, release him. Let's see who can take it off the best. Justin knows sort of how to do it.
I don't know.
But we'll see. Okay, this one's off. Jaden's probably going to come to me to take it off. Yes, Jaden going to take it off. Let's see. Let's see how he battles. Put the rod between the legs. Camera shy now. He's not going to be able to do it. Oh, it's released it. Oh, awesome. Now you're waiting for Friday to catch a fish. Guys, we're using 1/16 ounce jig heads. Tristan's using a, I think it's a Money minnow, and Jaden's using a 2.5 inch paddle tail. Paddle tail is also, I think that runs, it's Money. There's Tristan on again. Just to give you guys some footage guys. It's off. Up falling in the water here. Just trying to get a bit of light. Jaden's still scared of the water, he's jumping. Jumping. Come Franny, where's the fish Franny? Franny going for Garrick. You don't want to play with the small ones. Got a rockfish. Go chasing. Try to put your bait on properly. Oh, I just lost something. Just thought finally I knew the style. He was hooked on a rock. I told him to flick the rod and it came loose. Awesome stuff. Guys, this fishing does get expensive. Leader line, jig heads, plastics. As Tristan's already lost 4 this morning. Now he's fishing my rod. Hope he doesn't lose my jig head. Hey, it's on again. This one seems to be a bit faster, a bit better. Ah, it's a little flagtail again. Ah, quick release. Got it on camera at least. At least he's catching fish on camera now. As soon as we put the waterproof cameras on, we don't catch fish. We put a cell phone, we catch fish. Obviously it wants me to drop my phone in the water. Yep, get wet. Another thing guys, when you're fishing here on rocks, any rocks, please wear some kind of gum boots, rock boots. It really does protect your feet. Just and myself forgot our boots at home the other day and we got badly hurt. I got big cuts on my heels, he's got big cuts under his feet. So guys, rock boots is a must. There's another flagtail. Let's try to get a close up. Awesome, there's that flagtail. Garvies. You haven't fished at garvies until you catch a flagtail. This is the most popular fish here. Flagtail, pamphlets. It's a must catch. There's Jaden, he's on. It's actually his first fish I've maybe got on camera. Ah, quick release and it's off. Gonna try to hook me, but Justin's still battling here with the hook. He's also been poked. Guys, these flagtails have got horrible sparks on them. By the gill plates, under the bodies. There's Jaden on again. Actually caught a fish. Second one for the camera today. Let's see if we can release it. Now he's telling the fish to calm down.
Yeah.
Ah, Justin runs off. Jaden's still battling to get the fish off. Yeah, keep that camera on him until he releases the fish. He's trying his hardest.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, hold the camera.
You show them how you really.
Don't drop my phone, hold it upwards. Okay? So guys, like I said, I just got poked. This fish has sparks on it.
Huge ones.
Alright guys, there you are. Release.
Off he goes.
Cheers, fella.
Let's catch one off you fun.
Alright guys, we gave you some footage of them catching fish. Gave you footage of our catch and cook. Our catch and cook fail. But there's just an line. We'll give you one more fish for the end of the program, for the end of the session. They both almost got rushed off the rocks. There's got a flagtail. Okay guys, let's go for a release. And yeah guys, thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe to FR Fishing Durban. We are trying to get our contents better and we are trying to improve our channel day by day. We even now have got cameras, waterproof cameras. Just today was a bit of an off day, so we never put on our waterproof cameras, but plus the wind picked up and we came in the wrong tides. So guys, please consider subscribing to FR Fishing Durban and remember to like, follow, share. Thanks guys, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy your New Year's Day. Next week is back to the grindstone. So today will probably be the last day I'm fishing. So thanks guys, thanks for watching and enjoy your day. Thank you.